What if everything you believe about Jesus and money was wrong? What if Abraham wasn't just a patriarch, but a billionaire investor? What if Solomon wasn't just wise, but the greatest kingdom strategist in history? What if you were never meant to survive, but to rule? Introducing the Economic Masters Power Kit. 6 explosive books, prophetic insight, practical systems, and spiritual power to help you break cycles, build legacy, and dominate in the marketplace. Audiobooks, masterclasses, coaching, angelic help, and the blueprint of Jesus himself, the original Kingdom CEO. This isn't just information. It's a heavenly assignment. You're not broke. You're undertrained. It's time to take your place as an economic master. Order now, build legacy, and rule the marketplace.